the house for 2 days. Nagmungha ko. Yes! Look at the weather. Very perfect tulaad today. And the time right now is 4:44 p.m. So this guy just picked me up.
Hi guys.
Talaga na. They are family. Gucci na tagpilan date.
Alright guys, welcome to our vlog. It's 4:44 p.m. right here at Washington State. And the weather today is, Alexa, help me here.
The weather today is 61 degrees.
Pero lagi internet.
I know, OMG. Like I woke up when you left, like 5:30. So I tried na watch YouTube video. And then, lagger. Kanahimik yung internet. And then, wow, fall already, look. Oh my God, it's so nice. Look at it, dakuan. The leaves all are falling, you know? Falling.
Falls.
Look at that.
Falls is coming. True or false? Alright.
Yeah, anyways. So yeah, the internet was out. And then I tried to troubleshoot. And it says, oh, there was a power outage. I'm like, really? So I tried turning on the lights. The light was on. I'm like, I don't know what this is all about. Then I tried to call Xfinity. And then they said there's something wrong. But it's back though.
Oh God,
Yeah,
thank
after I
God.
showered.
Thank God, it's Friday.
No, it's not Friday, it's Saturday.
Oh, Saturday?
So then it says like, oh, we will resolve this at 11 a.m. And then at 10 a.m. they change it. We'll resolve it at 2 o'clock. And then at 1 o'clock they change it. We'll resolve it at 6. I'm like, okay. But at least it's back. It's back at like 4 after I showered. So at 4. Yes. So now we are heading to a burger place right around our area. It's about 2 miles away.
4.
Oh, 4 miles. My bad. 4 miles away. So yeah, come along.
Bakit hindi niya late?
English man yun.
Basta lugar English naman, hinga lugar ka.
I know, right?
What's in English sa hinga lab?
Deep breathing.
Oh my gosh, I'm deep breathing.
Okay, bye. See you later, alligators. Alright, we're here. Yes. I'm hungry.
Welcome to Stacks. Look at their fries. Grabe ka gamay. Focus fries, focus. Gamay kang fries.
Original.
Ay, original. Gamay na lang natin.
No, like one ano lang. Yung kay duwa ka patty.
Pero sa din original.
Stack.
Stack. Ibig sabihin, nag-stack ang burger. Ay, ang patty.
Their price is good.
I know, right? Parang mali lang.
Sabagay naman picnic na pagkaon. Pero junk food, magiging na kanipos. Kumami ka, ang tenta.
Gauan?
Yes, okay.
It's raining. Pwede madagan?
Oh my God, it's raining! It's raining, man! It's raining!
Alright guys. Wait, what happened to my camera ray? Oh my gosh, man. Nabasa akong camera. First time siya. First time nabasa akong camera, man.
First time?
No, it's not first time, but what can you say about Stacks?
It's good.
Like, define good.
In the scale of 1 to 5, it is a 4. There's always room for improvement.
Oh, wow. But I don't like their floors. Because it's slippery. It's like oily.
But we're talking about the food, okay?
No, I'm not talking about the food. I'm talking about the Stacks. Overall. The overall rating. Right. I think there's one door that it's closed.
Why is it raining?
Oh my gosh. Welcome to Washington. The rainy state. As per Google Maps. Nah, just kidding. Where are we heading?
TJ Maxx!
Alright, so we're heading to TJ Maxx for TJ Haul! Isa nakabook 43? May palit-palit na po Calvin Klein nga jacket.
Ingat din ako sa imong gusto. I hope it fits me though. I mean, gifit naman ako siya, di ba? Kadlong ako kasi hindi siya ma-close. Kadlong lang siya, dahil hindi siya ma-close. Tambok na di ako.
What is it? It's raining man. And next stop, guys, is we're going to the Commons Mall. Right? Commons Mall. Where everything is common.
And then, love, Rico, I think you can park near Macy's so we don't have to walk.
Yeah, we'll see. I mean, like, we'll find parking right there because, you know, it's raining. Most of the people want to park nearby.
So, can I hold it?
Of course.
We are heading to the mall to find a dress. A long dress? Yeah, it's a dress. For Ninyam's wedding. Ninyam and Eric's wedding. So, may the odds be in my favor that I find a dress that I like. The dress that fits me.
How about my outfit?
Your outfit? No, you already have a... We'll probably buy a top for you. Yes. Okay. So, come, join us. Join us. Okay? See you later. Bye.
Hello.
Turn right onto West Valley Highway South.
Okay, ko nakastorya gyonan ko ni Google Maps. Hi. Today is another beautiful day in the Pacific Northwest, and the sun is brightly shining. Earlier it was so cold, and now it's hot. Anyways, we are heading to the mall. Yeah, mall. To buy a dress for the wedding. Not my wedding, Ninyam's wedding.
Because you're already married, Lar.
I mean, I'm just saying.
What do you mean by that? You're so kaka.
Kaka. So yeah, today's the second day of dress hunting. We'll see if we find something good there. But first of all, we have to eat. We can't forget that. Okay? So, come along with us.
We are looking for a dress, not for a shoe. We're here at Charlotte Russe. We are at H&M Michael Kors. Another store at Old Navy wedding dress store. Halloween store. Etiquette. We're here at Nordstrom Rack. Russ. Dress for less. Someone get distracted. It's like distracted. Last, we're home.